come.
Up first this evening, Jamaica remains under a tropical storm watch as Tropical Storm Lisa continues to affect the southern coastal areas of the island. Now, we will have details on this later on in primetime weather with Romaine.
Now, fishers in Kingston are not taking any chances as they brace for the impact of the tropical storm. In fact, the fishermen at Raytown Fishing Beach told TVJ News that they may wait as long as 5 days before going to sea. But why? Kalisha Williams has our story.
A friendly game of dominoes replaced the usual fishing activities at the Raytown Fishing Village in Kingston. This as the fishers keep a close eye on the tropical storm watch issued for the island.
You know, so them days are the days they call rainy day. So you have to see for them days that you not force yourself to go out in the storm, to lose a life. You see it? So saving for rainy day mean a lot, and I really like when rain fall. I like you go out the last week, you know, but I don't have the money because it's the weekend weather.
And it's their savings that the fishermen say will keep them afloat if the storm poses a serious threat to the island. However, we were told that some people are still at sea.
Some people go far sea, them still out there now. Still take precautions. Some are coming, some might not take it serious, say it nah come, so them nah come in. Because God only them all they still say, nah come man, I just say out of ban you all get.
So for the most part, the fishermen here are not taking any chances. They have took their vessels ashore and they're waiting out to see what will happen as to whether or not the tropical storm watch will be lifted for the island.
Go Friday and come back Sunday morning. Be a 2 day I go Whole Harbour and then place there. So I do online Palanca, so I do 2 day mostly. So yes, when I do 2 day and come, not like you go Friday, you come back Sunday, you relax Sunday and you relax Monday. If I feel like you get up back your gears then Monday, you push Tuesday. You see me? So like how them say the weather now, we're going to just watch it for the week here, or till down in the Thursday and see what it is like.
But why would they wait so long after the storm has passed to go back to sea?
We still can't because squall like these passing by, we're not going to force it change because the thing what we do is online and it's dangerous. Plenty hook.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.